Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your mobile phone number in the Alibaba app. So let's dive right in. Open the Alibaba app on your smart device and make sure you are signed into your account. By opening the Alibaba application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, look for your profile that says My Alibaba and then click on it. Then on the next page in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will also click on. Clicking on the profile picture will open a drop-down menu, where you will go down to the option, Secure Mobile Number, and click on it. The applications will open a new page and ask you to confirm your account by entering a code that will be sent to your email and will be entered later. But since we have already done that, now we will show you the rest of the video. By opening a new page, you will be able to see several fields, such as the field, country, or region, which allows you to choose the country from which you use the mobile number. Then, in the second field, you will insert your number, and when you have filled both fields in the third field where it says Verification Code, click on the Send option. And by inserting that code, all you have to do is click Submit. Once you enter the verification code, your new mobile phone number will be updated and linked to your Alibaba account. And there it is. By following these simple steps, you can quickly update your mobile number on the Alibaba app and stay connected to your account. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and app guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.